Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I hope you're doing great. Another day, another disclosure. Another company lets everyone know that they just bought a ton of Bitcoin. You can see the trend regardless of the price. And yes, I know the price is frustrating because we are in an ascending wedge and we are trading sort of sideways. I'm still in cash because until we get over 65,000, I don't know where we're going to head. I mean, we can still head a little bit lower, not a ton lower because it's an ascending wedge and we're in a bull market. All right, here we go. This story is out of cryptoslate.com. I don't even know how to pronounce this company's name. Susquehanna discloses $1.3 billion in spot Bitcoin ETF investment. If you own Bitcoin, hashtag Bitcoin. If you have another favorite cryptocurrency, I'm just curious what you're into. Hashtag it down below. And also, I want to tell you guys tomorrow's crypto event, the AMA, where I've got a cryptocurrency trader, an author of Bitcoin Business Accelerator. We're going to be all talking together about current events in the crypto market, something that we see near term, some opportunities, and some things to watch out for. If you want the links down below to the newsletter, and everyone will get an email tomorrow with the sign up, and there's 1,000 slots. That's max because that's what Zoom's doing. It says Susquehanna International Group disclosed $1.3 billion of investments in spot Bitcoin ETFs in a May 7th 13F filing. The company reported holding 17.3 million shares of Grayscale's GBTC across 3 separate investments for a combined investment of $1.1 billion. Susquehanna additionally purchased 1.3 million shares of Fidelity's FBTC worth about $83.7 billion, BlackRock's IBT worth $23.6 million, Bitwise's BITB worth $21 million, and ARK21 shares ARKB worth $31.6 million. Now, the company purchased 256,354 shares of VanEck HODL worth $20 million. Look, I'm not going to read them all. The point is this company just bought $1.3 billion worth of ETFs, all having to do with Bitcoin. See, the thing is, and it's okay because people will dive in when Bitcoin hits 100 grand. And it's going to go over 100 grand in this next bull cycle. However, it will turn down. When it does, you better be ready because a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money. And there's some pretty neat ways of being able to see who understand where that money flows based off of wallet sizes, the top 1% size wallets, things like that. No, I'm not talking about exchange wallets. Now, the combined investments represent a small portion of the total $575.9 billion in investments the company reported in its 13F. Well, that makes sense because it's just waiting out there, right? Crypto is new for everyone, but if you look at the size of the cryptocurrency market, and then you take into account all of these companies since the first ETF launched, mid-January, fourth week of January, something like that, it is massive. You know, Bitcoin went from pennies to where it is now, 62,000 as of today, the recording of today, without an ETF. Now, with ETFs involved, it is absolutely massive. It's okay, you're not in shot. Point being is this. We are in a moment where you are about to see things accelerate. It always doesn't mean when big banks are buying up these ETFs that the price is going to go up. Just, because big banks and institutions are a lot smarter with how they buy. They don't buy emotionally. However, once the market starts really running up and it hits 100,000, you're going to see family and friends. Matter of fact, hey, just call it your family and friends. You don't have to put their name on there, but like my sister, my dad, my uncle, the people that have been laughing at you for a while as you're buying cryptocurrency, just put their, it's my uncle, it's my grandfather, it's my coworker. They're going to be diving in, but you are going to have foreknowledge of things coming and you're going to be prepared for that, like any kind of downturn in the stock market. Quite frankly, the Dow Jones, I believe you're going to see 40,000 Dow, no problem. I've been talking about that forever, right? Because of the inflation wave. We've been on a 7-day winning streak? Well, watch what happens when the Dow turns a little bit. And if it turns significant, let's say we get a 2, 3, let's say a 4% drop in the Dow in a day. Watch what happens to Bitcoin. And you got to be ready for that kind of stuff. And if you're not mentally ready, well, you'll get wrecked. And that's the difference between retail investors and institutional investors. So now it says here, the investments are also part of a broader institutional interest in spot Bitcoin ETFs during the fund's first several months of availability. Hightower Advisors and Southgate Bank, BNP Paribas, and Burkitt Financial Services have reported similar spot Bitcoin ETF investments in their 13F filings. Legacy Wealth Asset Management and various other firms have also reported investments. So in the first quarter of spot Bitcoin ETFs, and that just started in America, like I said, mid-January. Since then, we've got Hong Kong on board, and other countries are jumping on board to create their own Bitcoin ETFs, is going to cause a massive amount of buying. Look, I just want to bring you this news because it's just getting more and more exciting. Let me know if you guys want to attend tomorrow night, the free AMA. It's going to be like 35, 40 minutes long. Links down below to the newsletter. When you click for that, sign up for it. You will have an invite tomorrow morning to be able to register, I believe, for the AMA. So Dylan's taking care of that. So I hope you guys have a great day. Links down below. The Economic Ninja is ready to make some serious Bitcoin money. I'm not going to lie. See you guys.